If you are looking for an amazing Bifold wallet that carries cards and also has tracking built into it, you're absolutely going to love this. So this is the e-ink wallet, and this is the user guide right over here. So what this basically does is this has tracking built into it. So you're going to download the app, you'll follow these instructions right over here, and then you can see where your wallet is at all times. Even cooler, you could change this screen right here. You could add pictures. If your wallet is lost, you could put a message in there and be like, text this number or whatever, which is really, really cool. This is for cards over here, and this has the lever over here. Depending on the size of your card, you can do about 8 to 10. Got the Bifold right here, what we already talked about. Nice little pocket over here. Nice spot for your ID too. If you're looking for a great wallet, definitely check this one out. It also comes with these 2 screwdrivers as well. And a huge thanks to the brand for sending this over. So I do this for you.